So today our topic is switch statement. What is a switch statement in programming? So this is our question today. A switch statement is a type of control flow statement that allow a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. So in this statement it is saying that in the switch statement there are a list of values and there is a control flow that allow a variable to be tested for equality. Each value is called a case, and then variable being switched on is checked for each case. Okay, so this is an alternative for switch statement. I will show you the statement. So this is the basic syntax for the switch statement. So here is an expression. This expression would be tested against these values, and against which this expression match inside block will execute. So switch statement works like this. There is an expression, then there are cases, and then it will start matching, and after matching it will break. If you don't break, it will continue the flow and continue executing the expression until a break is not found or a switch is not over. And after that there is a default case. Default case is used when there is no matching, no case match with the expression. Then you can put a default where you can see E code to run if no case matches. So here the dead code would run if no matches would be occurred. So this is the switch statement. So the important points for the switch cases: the break statement is used to stop execution after matching case is found. So here the break statement would stop the execution. If you miss the break over here, it will continue the execution and continue all the blocks to execute until a break is not found or a complete control is not over. The default case is optional. This case is optional, it's not mandatory. And another thing is, switch can only compare discrete values like numbers or strings, not conditions. So it will only match the numbers, not the condition. You cannot give any condition over here. So next is the switch statement example. So this is the example in JavaScript. Let's suppose we are setting a variable to fruit and then putting a fruit in the switch statement, and we are making the case banana, apple, and then we break, and then we put a default condition over here. This is called unknown fruit. So whenever a fruit comes over here, it will start matching from very first. See, case 1 is banana and the fruit is apple. It is not a match. The next case is apple, which is a fruit is also an apple. So this is a match. Then it will write apple is red on the console, and then there is a break statement, then it will break. So output would be apple is red. Only one statement because there is only one match. There would be always a one match. So there is an other example when you can see the execution without, when you miss a break statement. Like I am putting a day is 2 over here, and this switch will run over the day. So here are the cases that will match. This is case 1, case 2, and case 3. So whenever the day 2 will come, so just write on the paper what would be the output of this switch statement. So that you can understand. So what would be the output? So console day. So would it output the Tuesday? Would it output the Tuesday, Wednesday, another day? Just it would output a Tuesday and Wednesday. So these are the options. So I am going to reveal the output now. So output would be Tuesday, Wednesday, and then another day. Why this one is output? You can see I told you that when you miss a break statement, it will continue the execution until the loop is over, or that it will also execute the default condition. So the output would be Tuesday, Wednesday, and then another day. So this is the output for this condition. So that's it for the switch statements. Please like the video if you